In order to eliminate the human error and have consistency and accuracy, we're always using the most modern technology in the kitchen. Everything comes out the same every single time. For instance, I'm using the Rational oven to bake this cornmeal cake. It allows it to get a gentle brown coloring on the outside and a creamy texture on the inside. I'm going to fold the kataifi with a mixture of water and egg whites so it glues together but stays crisp, dusting it with sea salt and cinnamon and a hint of sugar. We have a custom setting that allows me to bake the cornmeal cake and the kataifi at the same time using 2 different timers. Both of these were cooked at 335 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity level was kept high to keep the moisture in the cake, but it still baked the phyllo until crisp. In order to make a very smooth fluid gel, everything needs to be hydrated together at the right temperature. We've taken peach puree, sugar, agar-agar, citric acid, and a little bit of sea salt. We're going to take this to 210 degrees Fahrenheit using the probe on the Control Freak to ensure accuracy of temperature. Once my fluid gel is hydrated, I'll be placing it into the MultiFresh NEXT to cool as quickly as possible. In the kitchen, time is money. Once the gel is set, I'll blend until smooth. In order to get the clearest fluid gel possible, we need to remove all the air bubbles. I use the compact function on the Henkelman. I do it twice to ensure all the bubbles are out and that my sauce is very clear. We've taken fresh peaches and gently blended them to make the peach puree, folded it with sugar, xanthan gum, citric acid, heavy cream, and fresh eggs. Altogether, this is very similar to a classic curd, but the addition of the gelatin gives it the flexibility. It's extremely important to cook this in the Rational iCombi Pro. The low fan speed keeps it from getting ripples in the texture at the top of the curd, and the humidity keeps it from drying out on top. When it's finished cooking to temperature, I quickly cool it in the MultiFresh NEXT. Cooling the curd down quickly is very important for the final texture, and you can plate it directly out of the MultiFresh, which saves us a lot of time. To show off the flexibility of the curd, I plate it with a twist in the middle. Then I add torn pieces of the cornmeal cake, and next the fresh peach fluid gel, followed by the triple cream espuma, and finally the crispy kataifi. I like to create, I like to be imaginative. Using this equipment allows me to achieve anything I can imagine.